you are? 4. That's on 4. So most of you are able to load the image, right? And then so what? Okay, so here is the network request that you already know. So for now, just copy those snippets and then we can run. And then remember one thing is that you need to do the reload data. If not, then nothing will be appear on your table view, right? And then in your table view, so here one thing, you see the extension here. So remember in the previous class, so I put everything. So the UI table view data source, UI table view delegate, I put everything here, right next to here, right? But when we do this way, so when you say extension, so you extension for the photo view controller, and then you say it inherit from the UI table view data source, UI table view delegate, and by doing this way, you can like split the code. So here you want whatever related to the table view, so I put it in this chunk of code. So doing that way, I can split the code, so it's easier for me to read through. Right? And then here in the table view, so here, right? As I said before, so this API is return so many layers. You don't want to dig in that one by one. So this is the better way to get that one. So you say you want to get the value for key path, and then you just put the whole thing there. You're able to get that one, right? And then if let, remember this one. If let is to try to see that one. If that one new, then nothing happen. So that one will be a safe and will be the best practice to work. If sometimes you don't know that one new or not, then better to use the if let. And then in this one, if you see, we also use if let and then another let here, so we can like do multiple let in the same if statement. Okay, and where we are? Okay, so then when we want to do the second the detail photo, right? Then we have here the detail for the prepare for segway. So remember we had two ways to do the segway. The first one is you create the segway from the photo cell. Right, in this case I implement. So if you click on this segway and it point to this cell, meaning I create a segway from this cell to this view controller. Another way is that you can create a segway from here, from the view controller to the view controller, right? So with the second way, when you create from view controller to view controller, you need to identify the segway. Right? We set the segway identifier. Right? That's one I talk about that one in here. So you had two ways to perform the segway here. You can read through this one one more time if you're not clear. Right, then go back here. So you see the code here very short. It's not like doing bunch of assignment to get the first dictionary, then the second dictionary, and third dictionary, then you get the URL. Okay. And so this code I only implemented up to the Ubuntu refresh, mean the bonus one. So to be able to do the Ubuntu refresh, we had the refresh control here. We already have the instruction on the cross bottle. You can follow that one. But basically we need to set the refresh control here, and then the Ubuntu refresh, you know, it's when you pull down, it's had the indicator here is spinning, and then when you release, will reload the data for you. So what happens is that when you pull to refresh and then you release your finger, it will do this action. So the action is fetch the data. So here we have the fetch the data, is the code that you use to get the data at the beginning. Right? And then the next one will be the infinite loading, and the other bonus will be you can zoom the image on the detail page. You can zoom the image. Right? So those other feature I didn't implement it here. But, you can follow the instruction there as well if you have time. So still remember to start to work on your assignment. It may be too late if you haven't started. Okay. Yes, so that's it for the lab today. Any question?